Hey guys, well, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to attempt to make churros for the first time. Never done this before, although we do love eating churros. We're going to make them. Actually, not we're. It's Shira will be making it. So let's go get started and let's share with you guys what the ingredients that you need to make them. The ingredients for churro is right here. Even see that? I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, we need 1 cup of water, 8 tablespoons of butter, salt, teaspoon ground cinnamon, all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and sugar. We got that? I think Shara got them all ready here. Not this one. This is my shake for today. Got the eggs, got the butter. We need the oil. So most of the main ingredients are here. We're just gonna get some water and then we're gonna take you over to the stove. We have the stove on medium heat here. So now we're gonna start with the first part. We're gonna add 1 cup of water to the saucepan. And then we're going to put the 8 tablespoons of butter, which is equivalent to, I think, 1 cup or half a cup of butter. Oh. And then it says salt, but I like to just omit the salt. And what is this? Then a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
It's good. There's too much.
That should be okay. So we'll put the cinnamon in there. It says combine water, butter, salt, teaspoon cinnamon in a 1.5 quarter saucepan over medium heat. Bring pot to rolling boil.
Wait, not flour?
So we're gonna let this boil for a little bit and then we will be back. Now that the little mixture there is at a rolling boil, we reduced the heat a little bit to low, like between low to number 2. So now that it's still boiling, but we could add the flour. So we're gonna add, how much flour? 1.25 cup of all-purpose flour. When you add it in there, you have to really mix it right away so it doesn't get all hard. So she's getting the flour already here. She got her 1 cup.
That's good. That's
and 1/4 cup. Here, let's just add a little bit more so that we have enough. What is in there? Something in my way. Okay, so pour that in there.
Okay.
Now pour this in there. And then quickly mix it. Don't splash it around too much because you don't want it to be too messy. Add flour and stir vigorously until mix forms a ball. Remove from heat and let rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so really mix it. Give it a good mix. Get the sides, scrape the sides. Really, really good. You can smell the cinnamon. Like hold this stick up this way and then there you go. Mix it, mix it, mix it. All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. I think it's supposed to look like this. It says a ball, but whatever, it's like dough. So we're gonna remove it from heat, turn this off, and then I'm gonna bring it over to the other side of the counter. There. So we're gonna let this sit for 5 to 7 minutes to cool down, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients into there.
Oh, don't put that in.
Why not?
Good, I don't want.
Everybody misses your face.
Oh.
What about my face?
Okay, how about your face? Wait, let's keep your face right there. Beautiful.
Put it out to my nose.
Yes, you can see your snot. So now that it has cooled, we're gonna add 3 eggs. So 1 egg at a time. So after each egg, you're gonna mix before you add the next one. So while Shira is mixing the eggs, I went over and I grabbed another pot and I just heated some oil in it so that it's ready already by the time we finish mixing the dough mixture.
Not gonna work.
All you have to do, not add sugar in here.
It's at the end.
You don't have to add sugar to this at all?
No.
Is this whipped cream?
Yes.
Can I use a whisk?
Wait. Oh look. Okay, well maybe try it. Go, get a whisk. No. Joe! Joe has some whipped cream. Cool Whip. Oh my gosh. Not like that. Joe, here.
Yeah.
What did you say? You want me to put you? Oh. What did you say?
No.
What did you say about me? Okay.
Okay, I gotta mix this.
We're gonna just keep mixing this. So once this dough mixture is done, after all the eggs are mixed, we're gonna spoon the dough into the piping bag. So we'll catch you guys back when this is all mixed. So I have the dough already in the piping bag here. I don't know if this is hot enough. Oh, it seems like it's hot enough. So let's try this. So I'm gonna pipe, cut. Oh, that's so close to each other. Pipe.
It connected together.
Cut it like away from the. Here. You just keep putting it like beside it. Go. You don't know how to cut. Use the scissors with one hand.
It's too big.
There you go. Okay.
It's not straight.
It's curling. Cut that. Okay, let's try those ones first. So while that's frying, I'm gonna grab a bowl. I'm gonna grab a bowl.
I'm gonna try something. I'll clean it up if it doesn't work.
Some paper towel in it. So I'm just gonna flip it around. We'll let that fry for a bit until it's kind of golden.
Get messy. Look at.
What the heck are you gonna do? What is she gonna do? She's gonna splatter that everywhere. But what is this guy making? There's a lot of stuff happening here. What are you making? He's making what? What is that?
Rice.
Why are you putting icing around the room?
Just wait till the finished product.
Okay, so let's go and make our churros.
Whoa.
Look at those churros, Joe. Whoa, those are big. They get so big. Those look good.
I don't think it's supposed to be that big.
Well, I don't know, maybe
Maybe because it's like not jelly.
it doesn't matter. It's extra churro. You can put some filling inside. I'm excited to see the finished results. So these churros got really big, but this is like the second batch that I put into the fryer. Here's a one that we got all sugar coated. Ooh, that looks good.
Everyone do it. Ready?
How does it taste, Kea? Is it good? Tastes like mini donuts, right?
You're like this, Joe.
Joe,
You're like this.
Joe, try one.
Here.
Try that one.
Can I taste it?
You used all of this already?
Yeah.
What's the verdict? Is it good?
It's really good. I could.
How is it?
Good.
It's good, right? Yum! Churros! So that's how you guys make churros.
ASMR.
Delicious! So I'll put the recipe in the description box so you guys can check it out and make it for yourselves. If you guys happen to make it, tag us on Instagram. We would love to see your creations. Yum!